Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda Rebel 250. I can't imagine how many people learn how to ride on these Rebel 250s. This is an 05, 4,900 miles. It's got the traditional little dent in the tank from that little turn signal that always hits it when you put it over. So you don't have to worry about doing that. Only 4,900 miles, $29.95, black in color. Come on by, make your Rebel 250 dreams come true. This thing's super light, super low seat height, easy to ride, great learner. Might be a little hard to get financing on this bike because it's an 05, so bring your checkbook, bring your credit card. We have check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.